to go. How do you feel, Griffin?
Oh my God. Not good.
Not good.
Guys.
Hey, can I get your tag? The bottom part of it?
Okay.
Yeah. Right there. Thank you. Thanks. Good job, guys.
Should we sit down right here and call Mom?
Let's go get some water first. So what'd you think? Do you feel good?
Yeah, I feel good. Finally, now I can rest. Just once we get home, just
Take a bath?
yeah, take a bath.
Come on.
And then sit down and rest. Water.